Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking to this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix CapCut network error on your PC. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information that I am going to show you in this video. So without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is you can try using a VPN. So the CapCut application is not available to download for some countries including Russia, Iran, Afghanistan, Indonesia, India, and many more. But users are easily able to access it on their device by using strong VPNs. So it may be possible that you are not able to access it on your system because the app isn't available in your nation. So as I mentioned, you are still able to access it by using strong VPNs. So you need to acquire a free VPNs app to resolve CapCut's no network error problem. So it is recommended you to download strong VPNs such as NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and even TurboVPN. So here are the steps for it to be able to use the VPN. So first, you can download and install any strong VPNs on your laptop or computer and launch VPN on your laptop and connect by using any country where the application is not banned. So run the VPN on your laptop or computer, and now you can close CapCut app from the recent taskbar and relaunch it again, and click the new project option and add the video to start editing, and hopefully the network error issue has been resolved. So that's it for the first fix. The second fix that you can try is you can check your internet connection. So if you have connected your laptop with a strong VPN and you're still experiencing a network error issue, so you should check your internet connection, and most times using the strong VPN on device works for you. But in case the problem is still not resolved, checking the internet connection might help you. So make sure that you are connected with a stable internet connection, and alternatively, you can try restarting your Wi-Fi router in order to refresh the network connection and again check if the issue has been resolved. And then next, what you can do is you can refresh the page. So if you're accessing CapCut on the browser on your laptop or computer and it is showing a network error, so you should try refreshing the web page. So simply close your current web page and remove it from taskbar. So now wait for a moment and launch CapCut again to check the results. So by doing this, if you have the chance to get back to CapCut on your laptop. And then you can restart your PC. So another straightforward solution is to restart your PC in order to resolve network error issues on CapCut. So simply press and hold the power button until the screen turns off, and now wait for a moment and press the power button back until the logo appears on the screen, and again release the pressed keys and launch CapCut onto your PC and check if the network error issue has been resolved. And then lastly, what you can do is to clear the browser cache and cookies. So occasionally CapCut can't run properly due to a problem with your browser. So in such case, you should clear your browser cache and cookie data, which generally stored on your system. So by doing this, you may be able to resolve CapCut's network issue on your PC. So to clear the browser cache and cookies, you can follow the steps right here. So first, you can open Chrome browser on your system, then click the three vertical dots at the top right corner of the screen and choose settings. So choose the privacy and security option from the left side of the screen and click the browsing data option and check all the boxes. And then after that, after clicking onto that, you can click onto the clear data option, and that's it. Now you can launch CapCut and add a video by clicking onto the new project to check if the issue has been resolved. And note, if you're using another browser instead of a Chrome browser, try clearing your browser cache and cookies by doing the same steps as I mentioned above right here, but it would be similar. So you can also directly search and proceed. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.